folks, welcome to Smile Healing Institute channel. Today's topic is quantum matrix computing, hack your reality code. What if I told you right now, in this very moment, you are living inside a programmable matrix and you have access to the source code? What if everything you have been taught about reality is just one program running among infinite possible programs? What if the limitations you have accepted, the struggles you have endured, the impossibilities you have believed, what if they are all just lines of code that can be rewritten? Listen to me carefully. Quantum computers are proving that reality operates like a vast computational matrix where information, consciousness, and physical reality are inseparable, intertwined. And here is what's going to transform, have basically your life. You're both inside this matrix and you have administrator access to reprogram it. Most people are living as users with limited permissions. They think they have to accept the default setting of reality. They believe they are stuck with the program running their health, their wealth, their relationship, their destiny. But today you're getting full administrator access. Today you learn to hack the matrix. Today you discover that you're not trapped in reality. You're the programmer creating it through quantum consciousness. For the next few span of minutes, I'm going to show you how exactly the quantum matrix works and how you have been unconsciously programming it your entire life, and how to become a conscious matrix architect who designed reality instead of being designed by reality. Are you ready to see the matrix deepen the rabbit hole goes? Because once you understand the matrix, you can never unsee it. And once you cannot unsee it, you can finally reprogram it. Now, let us understand the basics of understanding the quantum matrix is very important. Let me show you what quantum computing has revealed about the nature of reality itself, because this changes everything. The matrix is computational. In quantum computing labs around the world, scientists have discovered something extraordinary. At that quantum level, reality is not made up of solid matter. It is made up of information. Particles are not things, it is made up of information. As we all know that particles are not things, they are probabilities with permutation and combination. They are computational possibilities waiting to be processed into experience. This means the universe is essentially a massive quantum computer constantly computing reality into existence. Every particle, every atom, every molecule is processing information. Your body is processing information. Your brain is processing information. Your consciousness is processing information. You are not living in a matrix. You are a localized processing node within an infinite quantum computational matrix. Now, let us contemplate the three matrix layers. The quantum matrix operates on three computational layers, and understanding each one gives you the power to reprogram your reality. At the deepest level is the quantum field, the underlying computational substrate where all possibilities exist simultaneously in superposition. This is like the source of code of reality. It's pure potential, pure information, pure possibility. When quantum computers process information, they don't just work with zeros and ones like classical computers. They work with qubits that can be 0, 1 or both simultaneously. This superposition is what gives quantum computers their incredible power. Your consciousness works the same way. When you're truly open to possibility, you're not locked into binary thinking. You exist in quantum superposition where multiple realities are simultaneously available to you. Now let us understand the observational protocol. The second layer is the observational protocol. The quantum mechanical principles that observation collapses probability waves into specific outcomes. In quantum computing terms, this is a measurement operation that transforms superposition to transform into definite states. In the famous double slit experiment, particles behave as waves of possibilities until observed, then collapse into specific locations. Your observation, your consciousness, your attention is literally the mechanism that collapses infinite possibilities into your specific experience of reality. You're not just passively observing the matrix, you're actively computing it into existence through your consciousness. Let us contemplate the manifestation output. The third layer is manifestation. The physical reality you experience, this is the output of the quantum computational process. What you see, touch, and experience is the result of quantum processing happening at layers 1 and 2. Most people think they are stuck with their manifestation output. They think their circumstances are fixed. But once you understand that your reality is computational output, you realize you can change the output by changing the input and processing the fraction of minutes to seconds to microseconds to macro minutes at the deeper layers. Now let us contemplate the matrix equation. Here's the equation that determines your reality. Quantum substrate, infinite possibilities into observation protocol, your consciousness, equals manifestation output, that is nothing but your reality. When you change your observation protocol, how you think, what you focus on, what you believe, you change which possibilities from the quantum substrate get computed into your manifestation output. The major thing to understand is your current matrix program. Now let me show the matrix program that have been running your life without your conscious awareness. That is called the default matrix programs. Just like a computer comes with the default software installed, your consciousness came preloaded with matrix programs. Most people never question these defaults. They just run them automatically. Default program 1, Newtonian reality, says that this program says actually the reality is solid, fixed and mechanical. Cause and effect are linear. Change requires force. Success requires struggle. This is all called as classical physics programming. When this program runs, you believe you have to push, fight, force and grind to create change. You think reality is solid and resistant. You approach life like it's a mechanical system that only responds to mechanical force. But quantum matrix computing reveals this is outdated software. Reality is fluid, responsive, and computational. Change happens through information, not force. Success comes through alignment with quantum principles, not through struggle. Default program 2, separation consciousness. This program says you are separate from others, from abundance, from health, from your desires. You are an isolated processing unit disconnected from the larger matrix. When this program runs, you cannot access the power of quantum entanglement. In quantum computing, entanglement qubits become a unified system, affect one and you instantly affect the other regardless of distance. Your consciousness can become entangled with outcomes, with other people, with resources, with opportunities, but the separation program blocks the entanglement, leaving you isolated and powerlessness. Default program number 3, scarcity algorithm. This program says there are not enough. The matrix has limited resources. You have to compete, hoard, and protect that what you have because abundance is not available. When this program runs, you operate from fear-based decision making. You make choices to avoid loss rather than to create a gain or a gain with creation. You see opportunities but talk yourself out of them. You achieve success but cannot sustain it because the scarcity algorithm keeps computing lack into your reality. But the quantum matrix is infinite. At the quantum substrate layer, there's unlimited possibility, unlimited potential, unlimited resources. Scarcity is a software bug, not a hardware limitation. Now we have to most importantly understand the default program for the victim subroutine. This program says things happen to you. You're not a programmer. You're just a user stuck with whatever programs are running. You have no administrator access to change your reality code. This is perhaps the most dangerous program because it makes you powerless. When it runs, you cannot reprogram anything because you don't believe you have programming access. You're stuck in user mode, accepting whatever reality computes for you. But here is the truth. You are not a user, you are the administrator. You have full access to your matrix programming. The diagnosis moment. Right now, identify which default programs are running in your life, where you're operating from outdated Newtonian programming, where are you stuck in separation consciousness, where are your scarcity algorithms computing lacking into your reality, where are victim subroutines running. Once you can see the programs, you can change them. Very simple it is. Now, let us contemplate deeply into quantum matrix reprogramming and implement it in our life. Now, I'm going to give you the protocols to reprogram your matrix at the quantum level. This is where you go from being programmed by the matrix to programming the matrix itself. Reprogramming protocol 1, quantum superposition thinking. In quantum computing, qubits exist in superposition multiple states simultaneously. You need to train your consciousness to think in quantum superposition instead of binary limitation. Stop thinking in either or terms. Start thinking in both and possibilities. Don't ask, will I succeed or fail? Ask, in how many different ways can I succeed? Don't think, should I choose option A or B? Think, how can I access the best elements of both options simultaneously? When you think in superposition, you are programming your consciousness to access multiple possibility streams at once. Your matrix begins computing multiple favorable outcomes instead of binary win or lose scenarios. Reprogramming protocol to observation mastery. Remember, observation collapses possibility into reality. Your attention is the most powerful programming tool you possess. Where you constantly place your attention, you direct the matrix computational power. If you focus on problems, the matrix computes more problems. If you focus on scarcity, the matrix computes more lack. If you focus on what's wrong, the matrix generates more wrongness. But if you focus on possibility, the matrix computes opportunities. If you focus on abundance, the matrix generates wealth. If you focus on solutions, reality organizes around solving your challenges. Your attention is the observation protocol that determines where which quantum possibilities collapses into your physical reality. Guard it like the administrator password to your life, because that's exactly what it is. Reprogramming protocol 3, entanglement engineering. In quantum computing, entanglement creates connections that transcend space and time. You can engineer entanglement with the outcomes you desire. Choose a specific outcome you want to manifest now. Instead of hoping for it or wishing for it, create a quantum entanglement with it. How? Generate the exact emotions you would feel if that outcome has already manifested. Your consciousness becomes emotionally entangled with the outcome, creates quantum correlation between your current state and that future reality. The matrix begins computing pathways to bridge your current reality with your entanglement future. Reprogramming protocol for frequency optimization. Quantum computers operate at specific frequencies optimized for quantum processing. Your consciousness also operates at frequencies, and optimizing them is essential for matrix reprogramming. Low frequency emotions like fear, anger, shame, guilt create static in your quantum processing. They corrupt your programs and generate poor matrix outputs. High frequency emotions like love, gratitude, joy, excitement create coherence in your quantum processing. They clarify your program and generate optimal matrix outputs. Each morning before the matrix computes your daily reality, consciously elevate your frequency. Spend 10 minutes generating gratitude, love, and excitement. You're not being fake. You're optimizing your quantum processing frequency for superior matrix computation throughout your day. Reprogramming protocol 5, reality beta testing. Quantum computers run simulation to test outcomes before implementation. You can use imagination to beta test new realities before manifesting them. Close your eyes and run a stimulation or simulation of your desired reality. Don't just visualize it, live it in imagination with full sensory detail. Your brain processes vivid imagination almost identically to physical experience, creating neural pathways for the new reality. You essentially running beta tests of new matrix programs. When you repeatedly run successful simulation, the matrix begins computing those programs into your physical reality because your neural networks are already prepared for them. Now let us contemplate the matrix awakening activation, and I would love to tell you that please execute it before making into such a theoretical part. We have reached the moment where you activate your administrator access and begin consciously programming the matrix of your reality. If you can stand up, feel yourself as both inside the matrix and as the consciousness that programs it, you're able to take full control of your reality code. The complete matrix activation. Now let us understand that. Close your eyes, 3 deep breaths. With each breath, you're accessing deeper levels of the matrix. First thing is level 1 is program identification. See all the default programs that have been running your life, the limited and limitation programs, the scarcity programs, the victim programs, the separation programs. See them as lines of codes running in your consciousness matrix. Acknowledge them without judgment. These programs served a purpose once and that they are now obsolete. Level 2, the administrator access. Now feel yourself ascending to administrator level. You're no longer just a user, you are the programmer. You have full access to modify, delete, and install new code. Feel this power activating in your consciousness. This is not arrogance. This is the recognition of your true nature as a quantum consciousness capable of programming reality. Level 3, code deletion. Now with full administrator access, delete the outdated program, see the limitation code being erased, the scarcity algorithms being removed, the victim subroutine being eliminated, the separation protocol being eliminated. Your matrix is clearing, your consciousness is becoming an open field of quantum potential. Now level 4, new code installation. Now install your new matrix programming. I am unlimited potential processing through consciousness. I am quantum possibilities manifesting as physical reality. I am the observer that collapses infinite potential into optimal outcomes. I am entangled with abundance, health, love, and success. I am operating at peak frequency. I am the conscious programmer of my reality matrix. Feel this new code installing into every level of your being. This is your new operating system. Level 5, quantum coherence. Now align all levels of matrix into perfect coherence. Your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and intentions all running the same upgraded code. No conflicts, no contradictions. Pure quantum coherence. This coherence is what gives your matrix programming its power. You're no longer running conflicting programs. You are running unified code towards unified outcomes. Level 6, matrix reboot. Your matrix is now rebooting with new programming. Feel your entire reality restructuring around your new code. The quantum substrate is responding to the new observation protocols. New possibilities are collapsing into new manifestation. Level 7, activation complete. Open your eyes. You are now operating with full administrator access to your new reality matrix. You are no longer a passive user. You are an active programmer. From this moment forward, you will program your matrix consciously, monitor your programs, notice when old code tries to run and consciously switch to new programming, optimize your frequency daily, maintain high frequency emotions to ensure clean matrix computation, direct your observation, place attention only on what you want the matrix to compute, engineer entanglement, create quantum correlation with desired outcomes through emotion, test new realities, use imagination to beta test future manifestation. The matrix is not your prison, it's your playground. It's not controlling you, you're programming it. You're not stuck in reality, you're computing reality through quantum consciousness. Every thought is a line of code, every emotion is a processing instruction, every belief is a program determining your output, and now you're conscious of it all. You have been upgraded from user to administrator. You have full access to program your reality matrix. The quantum substrate awaits your instruction. Your consciousness is the most powerful computer ever created. Welcome to matrix consciousness. Welcome to administrator access. Welcome to your unlimited reality. The matrix is listening. What will you program today? And if you feel your administrator access activating, share this with someone ready with their own matrix awakening. If it resonates, subscribe for advanced quantum matrix programming. Comment below with the old program you are deleting and the new reality you are computing. You are not in the matrix, you are the matrix experiencing itself through consciousness. Program wisely, program powerfully, program your ultimate reality. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.